Kushona kabuhlungu umfundi wesifazane owenza uGrade 10 e-Orange Farm e-Secondary School ngemuva kwezinsolo zokuthi ubedle ukudla okulula okuthengwe espaza sasendaweni ngempelasonto edlulile. Kube ukuthi le ntombazanyana iqala ukugula esanda ukudla izibiliboco yaphuthunyiswa emtholampilo kwatholakala ukuthi sishonile. Kanti umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng udlulisa amazwi enduduzo emindenini esikoleni emphakathini nakubo bonke abathintekile ngalesi sigameko. Ukwengeza umnyango unxusa umphakathi ukuthi uqaphele uma uthenga ukudla futhi ugweme ukuthenga kubadayisi bokudla abangagunyaziwe.
Education MEC Matume Chilwane urges learners, parents and members of the community to be vigilant when purchasing food items from spaza shops. Now, this follows the tragic passing of a grade 10 girl learner from Orange Farm Secondary School who passed away on the 28th of June 2025 after allegedly consuming snacks that were bought at the local spaza shop. According to information at our disposal, the learner allegedly ate snacks that were bought from a spaza shop, and she complicated, rushed to a local medical facility, and unfortunately, she was certified dead. This incident was reported to the department on the 1st of July 2025. MEC has extended his heartfelt condolences to the family and the school community at large. MEC calls for vigilance from learners, parents, and the communities, especially buying from spaza shops. And it's unfortunate that we continue to see some of these incidences where it is alleged that learners would have consumed snacks and they end up dying.
Action SA extends its heartfelt condolences to the family, friends, and